The 3 through 5 fitness game that I have created is a fitness scavenger hunt. Here is the official lesson plan of the fitness scavenger hunt. The objective is for students to work together and complete tasks while working on fitness. Materials that you'll need are jump rope, hurdles, agility ladders, hula hoops, stair steppers, poly spots, and crayons and pencils. You can really make whatever you want. If you're teaching this, you can create whatever type of exercises you want to, but for my game, those are the materials you'll need. This is the scavenger hunt card that each student will receive. You probably want to make about 9 different cards with all of these stations in different orders so that the students don't all start at the same station. If a student were to receive this card, they would go to station number 1 first, which is 30 stair steps, and then they would go to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you were to split this up, you could go make one backwards. So the first station you'll always go to is the top left-hand corner, and you'll work your way across and then down. So you can change up which stations go first for which card. The answer portion for this card means that each station will have a question, and the students will have to answer that question, and there will be pencils placed at each station for them to write their answer down in that block. So here's a quick key before we go to the next slide. The dots are going to be poly spots, and they're going to be all different colors. This one in this key just happens to be yellow. And below that, it's a box with a number in it, and then it's going to be 6 poly spots out from the box. Each station will be color-coded with a number, and each station will have 2 lines of 3 poly spots coming from it, so that students that are sent to that station, but there's no workroom inside the station, they have poly spots to stand at to wait their turn. So here's a cluttered version of what the gym will look like. Like I said, each station is color coordinated, and off of each station is poly spots for the students to stand at to wait their turn if there's no room inside the station. Each station should have multiple equipment so that multiple groups can be going inside of the station. Each station will have that colored crayon at the station so that when students complete the station, they can grab the crayon and color in their box after they write the answer to the question at the station. Students will work through this card and try and get done. The teacher needs to stress to the students that it's not about how fast they can do it, it's about how correct they can do it. The teacher should also be walking around and helping the students, because they're probably going to forget what a jumping jack is, or how they're supposed to do the stair steps, or they're probably going to cheat on their sit-ups. So the teacher should always be walking around and letting the students know that they're watching them, that the teacher's watching them. When the students get finished, they should wait quietly for everyone else to finish. Some questions that you can put at the stations, and the questions can just be on poster board, taped to the wall, so that the students know that it's that station's question. You can have the students list a vegetable, list a planet, solve a math problem. You could create a sentence and ask them what correct word to use. There, and there is always a good one for that. List a mammal, or some type of simple science question like what is the most common gas in Earth's atmosphere. Any question would be good. That sums up the fitness scavenger hunt, and I hope you enjoyed it.